This year, our expenses are up by more than $1.4 billion, which includes about $1.8 billion of supports for COVID.
More money going out, less money coming in, and the juggling act continues as COVID-19 continues to hit Manitoba's bottom line. The province releasing its latest budget forecast here on Thursday.
We are now forecasting a year-end deficit of over $2 billion, in fact, $2.046 billion over this year, which is an improvement from our first quarter projected of nearly $3 billion, but would still be the highest deficit in Manitoba's history.
Much of that improvement thanks to almost $650 million in federal transfer money, the province says, has lifted their total COVID spend to around $3.2 billion.
Our government remains focused on two things: protecting Manitobans first and foremost, and supporting Manitobans and businesses impacted by the deadly pandemic.
When it comes to protecting, the PC's quick to tout record spending.
We've invested more than $633 million above what we budgeted in health to protect Manitobans.
While on the business support side, the Premier hinting a new program could be on the way.
The Manitoba Chamber of Commerce helping us, and Economic Development Winnipeg helping us on an additional $50 million allocation of supports.
For the opposition, however, today's budget forecast continuing a trend for the PCs.
They're treading water at a time that they need to be acting.
Wasalu calling for the province to use its $800 million rainy day fund to pump more money towards small businesses.
They're sitting like Scrooge McDuck on a bank account with a huge pile of money on it, and they're refusing to spend it because of one man's ego and political legacy.
Pallister, however, says keeping this reserve full helps the province borrow money at a better rate and should be seen as a sign of strong fiscal policy given the uncertain future.
How quickly we can reopen our economy is in the hands of Manitobans. How many people are going to be in hospital is in the hands of Manitobans. How many people need to go into an intensive care unit is in the hands of Manitobans. We're doing our absolute best to get the message out in every way we can, and we're ready to partner and we're ready to support.
In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbart, City News.